Hey guys, this is Kyle with kyleshealth.com, and today I want to talk to you about managing and even healing leaky gut syndrome. Now, this is a huge topic among the medical industry today, and I just wish that what I know now I knew a whole lot sooner. I won't be able to explain everything in detail here. You can actually visit my website at www.kyleshealth.com or click the link under this video and you'll learn how you can start healing your gut in as little as 6 minutes by destroying the unhealthy bacteria, viruses, and fungi like candida and yeast that are inside you right now that's draining your energy, causing indigestion, disrupting your sleep, and putting your brain in a fog. Now, if you haven't been feeling like yourself lately, or if your low energy and exhaustion have been making it hard to focus at work, or if you've been finding it difficult to just simply enjoy life's simple pleasures like spending quality time with loved ones, or if you've been struggling with uncontrollable junk food cravings, and maybe you're sick of seeing your weight and your blood pressure or your blood sugar levels continuing just to go up and up, then I'm extremely confident that what I'm going to show you is going to change your life. And that's because once you start using the method I'll be giving you on my website, you're going to create an environment where good gut bacteria can thrive. And you'll do it without having to stop eating the food you love or starting any new exercise routines, which is really important because if you're tired and fatigued right now, I know that regular exercising might be close to impossible to do. So visit my website. It's at kyleshealth.com. The link's there on your screen. It's also directly under this video. Just click on it under this video so you can find out what I know now and wish I had known a whole lot sooner to help heal a leaky gut.